10.2, again, arcs and angles, we're going to just practice. There's 5 problems we're going to try in this video, carrying on from what we did on the first video for 10.2. So, let's write this proportion that we had last time, which we need over and over. It was degrees over 360, degrees over degrees, length over length, but this one was arc length over length of the entire circle, which was 2 pi r, or circumference. You could have also said pi times diameter. So, given this circle, find the value of x, and then find the measure of AD. So we have to find AD. So what I know is these 3 angles that have measurement with x are all forming a straight line, so they all add up to 180. So I could take all of them and physically add them all to 180. When you combine like terms, you get 26x plus, actually minus, 26x minus 2 equals 180. So 26x is going to equal 182, and 182 divided by 26 gets you that x is 7. So I need to find now, knowing that that's 7, I need to find this arc over here. I need to find the measure. So this part's easy. This one's 28 degrees, but I need to find this one. Well, across from it is its vertical angle. So if I plug 7 in here, 49 minus 5 gives me that this is 44 degrees, which means this one's also 44 degrees. And 28 plus 44 gets me that the measure of arc AD is 72 degrees. Trying this next one, I have 6 things that I need to find. I know angle PAU is 40 degrees. I know angle PAU is congruent to angle SAT, so let's go ahead and mark that one as 40. And I know that RAS is congruent to TAU, so they're the same as well. All 4 of those form a straight line. So 80, 40 plus 40, and x plus x, so 2x equals 180, 2x equals 100, x is 50. Each one of these are 50 degrees. So, measure of arc PQ, it's across from a right angle, that's 90, which means that arc is also 90. PQR forms a straight line, that's 180 degrees. ST, since the angle's 40, the arc is 40. RS, since the angle's 50, arc is 50. RSU, so we're following from R through S to U. 50 plus 40 plus 50 gets me 140 degrees. And PQS, if you follow PQS, you go around, you make a full half circle, and then you go 50 extra degrees. So 180 plus 50, because that bottom right side is 180, plus that extra 50 for RS, gets me 230 degrees. We need to find the length of AB. So arc length is what we need to find, so that's going to be x, but we need degrees over 360. So 120 over 360 equals arc length, let's call that x, over 2 pi r, or 2 pi times 6. 120 over 360 simplifies to 1/3, and x over this is going to be 12 pi, because 2 times 6. So when we cross multiply, 12 pi equals 3x, divided by 3. Our arc length, well, that's messy. Our arc length is going to be 4 pi. And our last problem in this video, an arc has a length that is 14 pi in a circle with a radius of 18. What's the measure of the angle? So let's visualize this for a second. Here's our circle. We have, now I may not be drawing this angle to scale, but let's say that that's correct. Here's 14 pi, my radius is 18. I want to find this angle. So degrees over 360 equals arc length over 2 pi r. And 2 times 18 is 36. So x over 360 equals 14 pi over 36 pi. I see 2 pi's. Let's go ahead and cross them out because one's in the numerator, one's in the denominator. So x over 360 equals 14 over 36. 360 times 14 gets you 5,040. So 5,040 equals 36x. When we divide by 36, we get, and it turns out I didn't draw this to scale, we get x is 140 degrees. So this angle is 140 degrees. So if I did want to draw this accurately, let's take this, let's move it to about there and call this x. So either way, you can still find x whether your picture's drawn to scale or not, as long as you are setting up your equation properly, cross multiplying properly, you'll get to the right angle.